Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here today, Crypto.com, looking at crypto. First thing we want to look at here is how is our favorite crypto doing, the CRO? Alright, down to about 10.5 cents off of our 96 cents high back in the day. Not that long ago, actually. So, probably going back there. As soon as we get out of this little funk that we're in, Bitcoin's been driving everything down, down, down. Prices are low. So, with Bitcoin at about hovering between 18 and 20 something, we are in a bit of a stagnation here. Interest rates going up. Again, just today, 3/4 of a point. Stock market taking a hit and going down. Might be a while before we get back to the 60K or so. If we look over this last day, you can see high of 19.6, bam, then we just dropped like a rock. Not great, but it does pose a good buying opportunity here for some various cryptos. Now, you guys know I like the CRO quite a bit, and I used to have a lot more, but I did sell some of it off during the when it was pumped. So I'm in the reaccumulation phase, as they call it, and that's what I'm doing today. Is I'm going for that CRO because it's going back to $1, probably. All right, can't guarantee it. But once Bitcoin comes out of this slump, it's going to the moon. Leave a comment below on the crypto you guys like. Alright, so I'm almost back at 3,000. And I'm going to collect my 5 diamonds. Alright. Ooh, yes, look at that. So we're at 30, which means it's time for another mystery box. What are we getting today? Leave a comment below. Pause the video. It's okay. I'll let you do it. Now, let's see what we get. Redeem for 25 diamonds. Silver box. Alright. Let me guess. About 3 CRO is my guess. What do you guys think? No cheating. Comments below. 3.5. Okay. Not bad. I'll take that. I'm going to withdraw that directly into my account, and it'll show up soon enough. Alright, and if we go back, we still have 5 diamonds left. That's a good deal. Take a look at some of this other crypto. Alright, Raven Coin up a little. Alright, down a little, up a little. No huge moves today. I think today would be a better day, but you know how things go. It's very variable day to day. Long term, we're going to the moon. Crypto, CRO, NFT space here on Crypto.com is pretty decent. Go check that out. Polygonmatic, one of my favorites. But here's the deal. Crypto.com kind of messed up a little, in my opinion. Alright, in the earn area, they've reduced the interest rate to 5.5%, down from 10 and 11%. Ugh, come on, guys. I know crypto's taking a hit all over. Glad these guys are still in business, but could be doing better. Alright, guys, let me know what you guys think, and be sure to subscribe. Let me know your favorite crypto below. And maybe we can look at it on the channel. Thanks for watching.